Namaste, Hamesha खुश रहो बेटिया. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you filtration in unit operation subject. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, a question arises in your mind. What is filtration? So filtration is a process in which solid particles in a liquid or gaseous fluids are removed by the use of a filter medium that permits the fluid to pass through but retains the solid particles. Either the clarified fluid or the solid particles removed from the fluid may be desired product, and in some processes used in the production of chemicals, both the fluid filtrate and the solid filter cake are recovered. Other media such as electricity, light and sound and also are used during filtration. The basic requirement for filtration are a filter medium, a fluid with suspended solids, and a driving force, such as pressure difference to cause a fluid to flow, and a mechanical device, which is known as a filter, that holds the filter medium, contains the fluid, and permits the application of force. The filter may have special provisions for removal of the filter cake or other solid particles, for washing the cake, and possibly for drying the cake. The various methods used for treating and removing the cake, for removing the clarified filtrate and treating the driving force on the fluid, have been combined in various ways to produce a great variety of filter equipment. So, what is filter media? Filter media basically is divided into the two classes: a thin barrier, which is exemplified by the filter cloth, filter screen, or common laboratory filter paper, whereas a thick barriers such as sand beds, coke beds, porous ceramics, porous metal, and a pre-coat filter aid, which is often used in the industrial filtration of fluids that contain gelatinous precipitates. A thin filter medium offers a single barrier in which the openings are smaller than the particles to be removed from the fluid. A single thin filter medium usually is satisfactory if the layers of solid particles that accumulate on the medium produce a porous cake that is permeable to the fluid. If the filter cake is gelatinous or the particles are soft and compressible rather than firm, the filter cake may blind, and that is pores in the cake may close and stop filtration. If this happens, a filter aid or a thick filter medium such as the sand bed may be used. Contrary to the situation with this thin medium, the pores of a thick filter medium such as a sand bed may be appreciably larger than the particles to be removed. The particles may travel for some distance along the tortuous path of the fluid through the medium, but sooner or later will be entrapped in the finer interstices between the particles that constitute the filter bed. In this way, the soft particles removed are distributed over a volume of a filter medium that is sufficient to prevent building, blinding, and stoppage of filtration. After solids accumulate, the beds may be backwashed with clear fluid to clean the bed. Then filtering forces the fluid to be filtered with pass through the filter medium only if some driving force is applied. This force may be caused by the centrifugation, gravity, and application of pressure on the fluid above the filter, or application of vacuum below the filter, or by combination of such forces. Gravitational force alone may be used in large and sandbed filters and in simple laboratory filtrations. Centrifuges containing a bowl with a porous filter medium may be considered as filters in which gravitational force is replaced by the centrifugal force many times greater than the gravity. If a laboratory filtration is difficult, a partial vacuum is usually applied to the container below which the filter medium to increase the rate of filtration. Most industrial filtration processes involve the use of pressure or vacuum depending upon the type of filter used, and to increase the rate of filtration and also to decrease the size of the equipment required. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.